Here's a street ride to check out at Unique, especially in classics. 1950 Buick Special. Locally built. Well-known car in our area. 5.3 liter LS engine underneath the hood. Also has LS1 manifolds on it. That is paired up with a 4L60 automatic with overdrive, transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Lots of equipment on this one. Tilt, cruise, custom audio, power door and trunk releases. Great looking car. Take a look at this front grille and the chrome. As you can see, the bumper tips have been removed, which would have been a flat black. Now nice chrome look to it. That iconic Buick grille. This paint is actually a 3-stage PPG yellow pearl paint. The interior on this one is ivory pearl and saffron vinyl pleated seats, and it looks good together. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes, wide whites, and their radials also. Nice chrome wheels. Old school hot rod look to it. Does have air ride suspension, onboard compressor and tank. There's that pleated interior to check out, and again, ivory pearl and saffron vinyl pleated interior. There was the nickname of this street ride, Nuttin' Special. That theme carries throughout with some pinstriping. And you'll see as we get around to the rear here also. Right there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I mentioned it had a power trunk release, and that is actually hidden right here in the bumperette. There is a button. Push that. That will pop the trunk. There will be a car cover that will be in the trunk that is included in the purchase of this vehicle. Getting around to the rear end, talk a little bit about the chassis and what have you. 10-bolt posi rear and 4-link back here. So you get a 4-link and 10-bolt posi rear end. Again, I mentioned air ride. The front stub is from a Camaro when this was custom built. Some of the components that went into it. And again, you can check out that underside in the still pictures. You can see the trunk, you can see the interior still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to get you right where you need to be to see that. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. As you come around to the rear here, you notice the French tin taillights and French tin headlights up front. So you can see the door handles have been shaved. Gas filler door is also removed and smoothed over. See how straight this car is, how nice that paint looks. The video and the pictures probably don't hardly do this car justice in the color of it. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. As you can see, that saffron carried through the door panels, carpeting. Of course, that ivory white interior. We're going to go ahead and start this up for you so you can hear it run here also. We're going to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay. There's your miles. We believe that since it was built, 14,607. As you can see, digital gauges. Stereo does work. You can hear that.
Free to do so.
Air ride control and settings right here. And it was the rear you want around 40 to 45, and the front at about 95, give or take, and that's kind of where you can see the settings are right there. Great looking dash. Seats full of rips, tears, holes. As you can see, it does have seat belts, matching rear. Headliner in good shape. this engine, smooth running. Engine sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top, just a nice rumble coming out of that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. Of course, it's got the piano style hood opening, so we can do it from either side. I think we'll pop this driver's side, open it up, let you take a peek at it. But you'll be able to see it from both sides in the still picture.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's the engine bay to check out. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. LS1 engine, aluminum radiator. Nice setup under here, of course. AC and heat. AC blows cold. 5.3 liter. What a setup. And again, that is paired up with a 4L60 automatic with overdrive transmission. And you can see how cool this would be at a show. And again, that hood will open from either side that same way. There you go, 1950 Buick Special Street Rod Custom Built, and this one was done right. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, so it'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call them or email them.